नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यादानञ्च देहि मे. Hi, how are you students? This is Nagaraj SP, lecturer in accountancy, Vishwamanava, PU College. In the previous video, we used to solve the problems in respect of question bank. Okay. In this video, we are going to be continue those problems in respect of that question bank. That is, a mining company limited invited applications for 50,000 shares. Okay. Of rupees 100 each. Okay. 50,000 shares on 100 rupees each ಅಂಗೆ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ 10%, ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ 10 per share. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ particularly issue of shares at premium. The amount was payable rupees 20 on application, rupees 60 on allotment, and the premium is going to be included in what? Pre-allotment. Okay, the premium is included in the allotment stage. Okay, rupees 30 on first call and final call. All the shares were duly subscribed by the company except 5,000 shares on first and final call. Except 5,000 shares on first and final call, and these shares was forfeited by the company. And these shares were forfeited by the company and reissued at rupees 70 per share. See here, Ek Mining Company Limited is going to be issued 50,000 equity shares. Okay, 50,000 shares ಅನ್ನ issue ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶೇರಿಗೆ 100 rupees. Okay, application 20 rupees, allotment rupees 60, and that 60 rupees, that 10 rupees premium is going to be included, and first and final call is going to be rupees 30. Okay, altogether the value of the shares is going to be 110. Okay, 110 rupees value of the shares. So face value ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100. Okay, the difference of rupees 10 is going to be treated as premium. Okay, all the shares is going to be subscribed by the company except 5,000 shares on first and final call. How much? 5,000 shares on first and final call. Directors is going to be decided to forfeit these shares, and they are going to be decided to reissue those forfeited shares fully. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5,000 shares ಅನ್ನ 5,000 shares ಅನ್ನ forfeit ಮಾಡಿ ಆ 5,000 shares ಅನ್ನ reissue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ? 70 per share. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 100 rupees ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ reissue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 rupees ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. Okay, now let us start the problem. In the problem you have to write journal entries in the books of A Mining Company Limited. Okay, journal entries in the books of A Company Mining Limited. Okay, in that first one stage is application stage. For receiving application money, the first one entry is bank account data to share application. For receiving application money, the entry is bank account data to share application. The number of shares is 50,000. Number of shares is 50,000 and the application money is rupees 20. Okay, 50,000 into 20, that is 10 lakh. Okay, after receiving the application money was transferred to what? Share capital. That is bank share application account data share application account data to share capital. Amount 10 lakh. So this is the application money received and application money transferred to what? Share capital. After application stage, the next stage is allotment stage. In the allotment, they stated that allotment money is going to be include rupees of 10 in respect of premium. That is, the entry is share allotment account data to share capital account to Saturday's premium. Share allotment account data to share capital account to Saturday's premium account. That is 50,000 into allotment money. How much? 60. Okay. Allotment money is 60. That is 50,000 into 60. Okay. After that, premium 50,000 into 10. And in the share capital, 50,000 into 50. That is 10 lakh. Sorry. That is 5 lakh. 50,000 into 10 is 5 lakh and 50,000 into 50 is 25 lakh. And 50,000 into 60 is 30 lakh. Okay, in the share allotment 30, in the share capital 25 lakh, and in the secondary premium 5 lakh. Okay, after allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. Okay, for receiving the allotment money, the entry is bank account data to share allotment. Bank account data to share allotment. In the share allotment, how much money is there? 30 lakh. You have to receive the 30 lakh money. In that 30 lakh, it is including the 5 lakh rupees of premium. Okay. So, bank account data to share allotment 30 lakh. Okay. After allotment stage, the next one stage is first and final call. That is first and final call money due. Share first and final call account data to share capital account. Share first and final call account data to share capital. That is 50,000 shares into first and final call money 30. That is 15 lakh. $50,000 into 30 is 15 lakh. Okay. After first and final call money due entry, the next one is receive entry. That is bank account data calls in arrears account data share first and final call. See, the first and final call is going to be have the arrears of 5,000 shares. Why? Because the company is going to be issue the 50,000 shares. But one of the shareholder is not unable to make the payment on 5,000 shares. Okay. 5,000 shares into ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇ 5,000 shares ಏನಿದು ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಂತ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್? ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ in the first and final call, how much number of shares? 50,000 into first and final call money 30. Okay, in the 50,000 we are not received how much shares? 5,000 shares. at rupees 30 each. Okay. 50,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 45,000. 45,000 into 30. Okay. How much amount is? That is 15 lakh. That is 1,50,000. Here 13,50,000. In the bank account 13,50,000. In the call sign areas 1,50,000. And in the share first and final call 1,15 lakh. Okay. So after first and final call money received, the next one stage is forfeiting entry. That is, we are going to make the forfeiture of 5,000 shares. For the forfeiting entry, share capital account data to forfeiture shares to share first and final call. Share capital account data forfeiture shares account to share first and final call. The number of forfeiting shares is 5,000. In the share capital the face value is 100. And in the share first and final call 5,000 into first and final call money 30. Okay. In the 100 rupees value, the shareholders is not paid the 30 rupees related to what? First and final call. But what they are going to be paid? That is paid up value is 70. In the 100 rupees, 30 is unpaid value and 70 is paid up value. Okay. So the amount is 5,000 into 30, 1,50,000. And 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh. And 5,000 into 70 is 3,50,000. 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh. And 5,000 into 70 is 3,50,000. And 5,000 into 30 is 1,50,000. After forfeiting entry, the next one entry is reissue entry. That is, reissue is going to be made on the basis of discount, isn't it? So bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital account. Bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital. Whenever the reissue is going to be made on discount, there is one account, that is forfeited shares account. 5,000 into face value in the share capital, that is 100. Okay. Reissue is going to be made on rupees 70, that is bank account. Okay. Out of 100 rupees, we are going to be reissue the shares at rupees 70. The remaining 30 is discount. That discount is going to be mentioned under the account of forfeited shares. Okay. So the amount is 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh. And 5,000 into 30 is 1,50,000 and 3,50,000. Okay, this 3,50,000 is income and this 1,50,000 is expenses. That is forfeited shares ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 3,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫರ್ಫೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ಫೇಟೆಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 1,50,000 ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಈ 3,50,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,50,000 ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 2 lakh, that 2 lakh surplus money is going to be transferred to capital reserves. That is forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. 3,50,000 minus 1,50,000. $3,50,000 minus 1,50,000, that is 2 lakh. This is the surplus money which is going to be have by the company and it is going to be transferred to the capital reserves. Okay. So this is about the A Mining Company Limited. Let us we solve another problem, that is okay. The next one problem is A Company Limited. A Company Limited issued 5,000 equity shares of ₹100 each at a premium of 10%. Usually the company is going to be issued the premium. Okay, it is going to be given that is 10%, not rupees. Okay, keep it in mind. Problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ previous ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 rupees 20 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ rupees face value of 100, that is 100 rupees ಗೆ 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 rupees. That 10 rupees is going to be treated as premium, or otherwise we are going to be calculate on the other basis also, that is the amount was payable are as follows: the application ₹20 and allotment ₹50 and the first and final call is ₹40, that is 20 plus 50 is 70, 70 plus 40 is 110. 20 plus 50 is 70 and 70 plus 40 is 110. That is face value 100 and the value of the shares is 110. That is 10 rupees difference. That 10 rupees difference is treated as premium. Otherwise, face value 100 and 10% premium. 10% into 100, that is 10 rupees. That 10 rupees is premium. You have to calculate it on the both basis also. Okay. And the premium is included in what? Allotment. Okay. All the shares were subscribed by the company and money duly received except 200 equity shares. How much? 200 equity shares. These 200 equity shares is going to be forfeited by the directors and reissued them at ₹80 to the Mahesh. Okay. 200 shares na ಒಬ್ಬ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಆ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು 200 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು? 200 ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ದಿನೇಶ್ 200 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫರ್ಫೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಮಹೇಶ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ? 80 rupees. Okay, and this is the problem related to issue of shares at premium and reissue related to discount. Let us solve the problem, that is journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. In the first one, entry is application money received, bank account data to share application account, bank account data to share application account, that is number of shares is 5,000 into application money is 20, that is 1 lakh. After receiving the application money, the next one is application money transfer. Application money transfer, share application account data to share capital. Share application account data to share capital, that is 1 lakh. After application stage, the next one is allotment stage. In the allotment is going to be including a premium of ₹10. That is the entry share allotment account data, to share capital account, to securities, premium. Share allotment account data to share capital account to securities premium. 5,000 into allotment money, that is 50. That is 2,50,000. 5,000 into securities premium 10. That is 50,000. In the share capital, 5,000 into 40. That is 2 lakh. So this is the allotment money due entry. After allotment money due entry, the next one is receive entry. For receive entry, bank account data, to share allotment account. How much money is there? 2,50,000. Share allotment money is 2,50,000. So the allotment money received is 2,50,000. After allotment money received, the next one stage is call stage. That is first and final call. First and final call money due entry. Share first and final call account data, to share capital. Share first and final call account data to share capital. That is 5,000 into first and final call money 40 rupees. That is 2 lakh. Share first and final call account data to share capital 5,000 into 40, that is 2 lakh. This is the first and final call money due entry. After due entry, the next one is receive entry. Keep it in mind, in the first and final call there is a arrears, that is 200 shares. Bank account data, calls in arrears account data, to share first and final call. In the first and final call, the number of shares is 5,000 into 40, that is 2 lakh. In the 5,000, there is a arrears of 200 shares. 200 shares into 40, that is 8,000. 5,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? 4,800. 4,800 into 40, that is 1,92,000. Keep it in mind. In the first and final call, there is a number of shares of 5,000. In the 5,000 shares, the person Dinesh held the 200 shares. Okay, he not able to make the payment on first and final call on 200 shares at rupees 40 each. Except that 200 shares, the company received how many shares? 4,800. Okay, so 4,800 into 40 is 1,92,000. And 200 into 40 is 8,000. And 5,000 into 40 is 2 lakh. Okay, so this is about the first and final call money received. Okay, after receiving the first and final call money, the next one is forfeiting entry. The company is going to be deciding the forfeit those 200 shares which is going to be held by Mr. Dinesh. Okay, So forfeiting entry is share capital account data to forfeited shares account to share first and final. Share capital account data to forfeited shares account to share first and final call. 200 into 100, that is face value, okay, and 200 into first and final call 40, okay. In the face value of rupees 100, the 40 is rupees unpaid, okay, and the paid up value is 60. 200 into 60. That is 20,000. $1,000 and $8,000. $200 into 100 is 20,000 and 200 into 60 is 1,000 and 200 into 40 is 8,000. So this is the forfeiting entry. After making forfeiting, the company is going to be reissue those 200 shares to Mr. Mahesh at rupees 80 each. Reissue entry is bank account data, forfeited shares account data, to share capital. 200 into face value is 100 in the share capital, but they are going to be reissued at rupees 80 and remaining 20 is discount, that is 200 into 20. Say 100 rupees face value shares on 80 rupees issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 20 rupees discount. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. $20,000 and $16,000 and $4,000. This is the receiving. After receiving entry, the next surplus transfer to capital reserves. Forfeited shares account data. Capital. 1,000 minus 4,000. 8,000 is the surplus money, and that surplus money is going to be transferred to capital reserves. This paid up value is 1,000 and reissued at rupees 80. That is 20 is discount and discount is expenses 4,000. 12,000 income ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4,000 expenses na ನಾವು deduct ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ remaining 8,000 is surplus. This surplus is going to be transferred to capital reserves. So this is all about the K Company Limited. Okay. The next one problem is Gamma Company Limited. Before starting the Gamma Company Limited problem, I would like to tell you a certain thing. That is, up to this video, we are going to be solve nearly 20 plus problems. Okay, 20 plus problems. This is the last one problem in respective of accounting for share capital. Okay, some of you are going to be shown a good response for these videos which I posted earlier. Okay, and some of you are not involved in these videos. Okay, I regret for those persons. Please kindly watch those videos. Why? Because it is going to be made for your sake. Okay, and you have to learn these problems, and you have to equip with these problems, and you have to generate your own problems and make sure yourself, that is I am going to be keep my practice for future also. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತರನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೂ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನ NCERT ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ NCERT ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಂಥದೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು. ನಾನು ಆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, please make sure and make practice and keep learning and keep practice. Okay, let us restart the next problem, that is Gamma Company Limited. Gamma Company Limited are issued 60,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Okay, Gamma Company Limited issued 60,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and premium of rupees 2 per share. Premium is 2%. Okay, so this problem is also related to issue of shares at premium. Okay, and amount was payable rupees 3 on application, rupees 5 on allotment, and allotment money is going to be include a premium of rupees 2. Okay, and rupees 4 on first and final. So application 3, allotment 5, and first and final call 4. All the shares were subscribed and money duly received except 1500 shares held by Mr. Sudesh. ಸುದೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ 1500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ 1500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಫರ್ಫಿಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ which is going to be held by Mr. Sudesh 1500 and reissue those shares to Mr. Naresh at rupees 8. Okay, ಸುದೇಶ್ 1500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಅವನು ಕೊಡದಲೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 1500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫರ್ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ 1500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನರೇಶ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ 8 rupees ಹಂಗೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 10, reissue ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 8. that is reissue is going to be made on discount. The discount value is 2. Okay, and the premium is 2 rupees. That is issue is going to be made on premium. Let us resolve the problem. Journal entries in the books of Gamma Company Limited. Under that, the first one entry is application money received. Bank account data to share application. Bank account data to share application account. The number of shares is 60,000. 60,000 into application money 3. $1,80,000. After application money received, the application money was transferred to share capital. That is share application account data to share capital. Share application account data to share capital. $1,80,000. 80,000. After application stage, next one is allotment stage. That is allotment money due. Share allotment account data. To share capital account. To securities premium. Share allotment account data to share capital to securities premium. Number of shares is 60,000 and allotment money is 5, that is 3 lakh. And in the securities premium, 60,000 into premium amount is 2, that is 1,20,000. And in the share capital, 60,000 into 3, that is 1,80,000. In the allotment stage, the allotment is including what? Premium. So that is why we mentioned the securities premium account, and securities premium is 60,000 into 2 is 1,20,000, and this 1,20,000 rupees credited in the allotment. Okay. After allotment money due, the next one is allotment money received. Bank account data to share allotment account. How much money is there in the allotment? That is 3 lakh. After allotment money received, the next one stage is first and final call money due. That is share first and final call account data. To share capital. $60,000 into first and final call money is rupees 4. That is 2,40,000. Okay. After first and final call money due entry, the next one is receive entry. That is bank account data, calls in arrears account data, to share first and final call. Bank account data, calls in arrears account data to share first and final call. In the first and final call, the number of shares is 60,000 into 4 rupees. And arrears is 1,500 shares. 1,500 into 4. And received number of shares is 58,500. 58,500 into 4. 60,000 into 4 is 2,40,000. And 1,500 into 4 is 6,000. And 58,500 into 4 is 2,44,000. Say 60,000 into 4 is 2,40,000, 500 into 4 is 6,000, and 58,500 into 4 is 2,44,000. Okay. Out of 2,40,000 we just 2,34,000. Out of 2,40,000 we just received rupees of 2,34,000. Okay. So after receiving first and final call money, the next one is forfeiting entry. That is share capital account data to forfeited shares account. To share first and final. The number of forfeiting shares is 1500 and face value is 10. 1500 into first and final call money is 4. Okay. In the face value 10 rupees, the 4 rupees is unpaid money and rupees 6 is paid up value. Thousand 500 into 6 is 9,000, 1500 into 4 is 6,000 and 1500 into 10 is 15,000. This is the forfeiting entry. After forfeiting entry, the next one is reissue entry. Reissue entry is bank account data, forfeited shares account data, to share capital. Bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital. Number of shares is 1500 into reissue value is 8 and the face value is 10 and discount is 2. The 10,000, here 3,000 and here 12. So this is the reissue entry. 1500 into 8 is 12,000, 1500 into 2 is 3,000, 1500 into 10 is 15,000. After reissue, the surplus money transferred to capital reserves. Forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. Forfeited shares account data to capital reserves. In the forfeited shares, the paid up value is forfeited 9,000, that is income. And here forfeited shares it is 3,000, that is expenses. 9,000 income minus expenses 3,000. The surplus value is rupees 6,000. This surplus value is going to be transferred to capital reserves. So this is all about the problem of Gamma Company Limited. So this is all about the problems in respect of accounting for share capital. In the next upcoming video, we are going to be discuss about the issue of debentures. Okay. Thank you.